Amazon yesterday. Well, Amazon. And I'm in Prime member, that's why I said Prime. But anyways, I got it in 2 days, so that's one nice thing about being a Prime member, along with other perks. But I'm really excited. So I thought maybe you'd like to see what I ordered. So it's just a little small unboxing, so I'm real excited. So stay tuned if you'd like to see it. Okay, I'm going to open this. Oh, by the way, thank you for staying tuned. Like I say, it's just going to be a little short video. At least I'm going to try to make it short. Oh, I'm excited. I'm glad it only took 2 days. It would give you a little hint what it is, but I'm going to wait till I open it. Alrighty. Well, first off, this is not real exciting, but I think it's exciting because I'm growing my hair out, and right now I just got it pulled up because I'm doing spring cleaning. So, it's full. See? Usually they give you a huge box. Hey! Old-fashioned hot rollers. I got rid of mine years ago, so I was like, oh, I wish I had them again, because once I blow dry my hair, sometimes it's like a little bend in it, and I'm lazy to stand there and with a curling iron. Well, I shouldn't say lazy, it's just hard on my shoulder. I have bad shoulders. But anyway, I'm excited about that. Briefly, I'll show you. It's by Remington, and I just ordered because they're reasonable. I think they're on like $14.95. I don't think I have a receipt in here or not. Let's see. Nope. Oh, I got it online. But yeah. Let's see here. Okay. Looks like I got Velcros, which is nice. Okay. That's what I remember it being like years ago. So I'm glad to see they didn't stop making these things. I'm out of breath. Alright. And they got the little clamps for the rollers. I really got this package, which is good. Alright, bag. And I have it taped. And a little foam to keep it steady. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's Velcro, so that's nice. That is the largest size, and the medium, and the small. So that's going to be perfect for my hair. So I'm excited to try this. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. A little bend in my hair. And see if I can get this rat's nest looking good. Alright, this is what I'm excited for. I just got into this. I'm way behind everybody else in America. It's Game of Thrones book set. I've heard of it, the show on HBO, and people said, oh, it's really good, you should watch it, but I didn't have HBO at the time. So anyways, we moved further north than where we were, and we bought a house, and cable, and then this cable up here, I wasn't like, well, I'll tell you who it is, why not? A video where we share everything. Spectrum. Okay, and I used to have Xfinity by Comcast, and I really liked Xfinity. You had like different things you could subscribe to, you could talk to the remote, and I really liked it. And this one, it only like got 3 different packages. Well, I had the smallest. I thought, well, let's try that. Well, a lot of the shows I watched were on the next package, not the ultimate. So I believe it was not Food Network, it was like the cooking channel, which I love to watch. So I went ahead, go ahead, it's $10 more a month, so I did. So, and along with others, which I can't remember. I won't bore you. So one day I was flipping through the channels, and guess what? I have HBO. So that must have been in the second package, and I didn't know it. So I thought, well, shoot, I'm not going to cancel. I'm going to check out Game of Thrones, because the last season, which is on now, can't talk here, I'm so excited. Whew, slow down, Janice. Anyway, was coming on, so I thought, oh, I want to get caught up. Well, I was so behind and not caught up. I'm just in the middle of season 3. I have to do other things in life. I just sit there all day and watch it. So I thought I would order the book. Because a lot of people say, oh, you got to read the books first. Obviously, I'm not going to read the books first. Wait that long to watch HBO. But I said, I'm getting the books. So anyway, enough of that long story. This is the books. So I'm excited. So like I say, I don't want to make this too long. I did order the value pack paperback. I did want the hardbacks, but they're a lot more money. Maybe one day for I don't know. I don't really need them. I just want them. So guess what I'm gonna do tonight, just before I go night night. Oh, I can't get this off. I'm making a mess. I'm going to start with book 1. And I guess he's, you should all know this, George R.R. Martin is still finishing up his last book. And fans are getting anxious. And HBO is actually, the writers, producers are ahead of him. But he is with them and advising him how the story is going. However, it could be different in the books, as we all know. No pictures in this one, I don't believe. No. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted the hardback. I like pictures, but that's okay, because I got HBO and internet. And I was hoping it was too small a print. I wish it was a little bigger. Let's see here. Show you the print. Ooh, it has the map, which I'll show you here. I love looking at the map when they're talking about different areas of the country they're going to. And then anyway, that is the print. I can see it. So my eyes aren't totally gone yet, thank goodness, thanks to my doctor, my eye doctor. He's really saving my vision. But I'm going to read these before I lose my vision, so I really know what the books have to say. I guess they're more in depth. You know how it is. You can't put everything in, but I'm not telling you all who is watching Game of Thrones how exciting this series is. I didn't think I would like it. I really didn't. I didn't think I'd hate it, but I don't know. I love it. I'm like totally hooked. I want everything Game of Thrones. Like, I need another hobby in my life. Anyways, I won't drag this on. Thank you for watching this little short video. I don't usually do these types of just what I order, but if you like this kind of thing, interested in maybe in little things that I enjoy in life, give me a thumbs up, which is liking the video. Subscribe. Push that little box down there. I'm trying to build up my subscribers. As you see, I'm very low. I'm just starting off. I've been doing this for a year off and on, and trying to be real consistent so I can build up my fan base. And also ring that bell if you really want to see. I have a lot of other lifestyle things I'm doing, cooking, unboxings, beauty, tutorials. Well, I haven't done that yet, but I might. I'm scared because, well, I don't have makeup on today, so this is you know, scary face with no makeup. But that's, I guess we're all in that same boat when we get older, so it's okay, you know. I earned everything that this face is showing. So, without any more to do, you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.